Hello, my name is Alexander Hess, and in this video I will be discussing how gamification can be used in the classroom in order to create an environment in which students can be challenged to think both critically and creatively, and even have fun in the process of learning. According to Elliott Bristow, gamification is an approach to education that engages all students and motivates them to experience their education with enthusiasm and excitement. Bristow shares that there is a variety of ways that gamification can be applied within a learning environment. For example, teachers can implement a point system, which will encourage students to work towards achievement of certain goals. This may result in receiving points or other forms of recognition throughout the learning process. Another example is the use of levels and rank system. This is applicable especially in a younger age classroom. This approach allows students the opportunity to constantly be working towards improvement in their education. The reason why this approach is more applicable for students who are younger in age is because teachers want to be careful not to create an environment in which some students are higher and superior to other students. Kenneth Silseth also uses an example of teachers using an applicative computer game in order to help students understand the conflict, for example, between Israel and Palestine. This is another example of gamification used in the classroom, another example of computer games used in the classroom. There are several things that teachers should be aware of when considering implementation of gaming in their classroom. The games and approaches chosen should apply to content that is being addressed in the class. The teacher should also recognize their role as the guide in the gaming process, helping students develop a solid understanding of overall concepts and ideas that are addressed throughout the game. Gamification can play a majorly important role in the process of learning and can develop a stronger final product of learning in the end of the learning process. For one, gamification provides a learning environment that is exciting and naturally captures the attention of the students. As opposed to sitting and listening and memorizing information, students use critical thinking to navigate their way through games and other challenging games such as point systems or level systems. As an end result of gamification, students develop a stronger, more foundational understanding of the concepts addressed throughout the games.